right, we've got some factoring here. So for factoring these cubics, it's a small dude and a big dude. Cube root of this, cube root of this, sine of that. And as I told my kids, then I kind of have them help themselves remember the little rule here. This one here is the square of that. This one here is the square of this. And -2 times -2 is +4. And then this one is the meaning that you multiply these two together. But opposites attract. We want to take the opposite sign of this. So when I multiply them, I get -14x, but I'm going to go ahead and take the opposite sign when I put it inside. Think about how to do the same thing here. Again, still small and large, R and S, and then T and V, and sine of the middle. Square, and square. So square is R squared, S squared. TV is T squared, V squared. Or if you wanted to write TV squared, whatever, that's fine. And then to multiply this mess is R, S, T, V. But we take the opposite sign when we multiply that together, which would make that a negative. So last but not least, same thing. Small, large, square root, square root. Now, here we need to think of what times itself 3 times, cube root, I'm sorry, what times itself 3 times would give us a 6. And when I multiply all that mess together, I get a 6 total of them. So the cube root of this mess is actually x squared. Cube root, sine of the middle. Over here, square, which is 1. I square that, which is x to the 4th. And remember, negative times negative is a positive. So the middle sign, you put them together, which is just plain old x squared. But instead of the negative, you change the sign to make it into the positive. So let's go ahead and we'll be done with that. We'll do the next video.